Hey, what's up YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be a course update type video. I'm very, excited to announce the new update on what's going on, and I know some of you guys already know what's going on, and some of you guys already know the added feature that I have to the course, but I kind of want to give you guys a breakdown and basically just explain what I'm going to be doing. So obviously I have a course. I teach you guys how to buy and resell smartphones. The course is $97 a month. You get access to a Facebook group, 40 plus videos. You get access to a live Q&A that I do every week. And I added a little feature that I know you guys will benefit from, and that is buying devices directly from me. Now, I've been doing this for 9 years, been, phone flipping for 9 years, and have established some relationships with people throughout the 9 years that I've been doing this. So with the connections that I do have, I am going to be selling devices to course members. Now, these devices will be based off of, what I can get. I can tell you right now, a lot of them will be Samsung, some iPhone devices, the older models, just based off of what I can get. If I find a good deal, I'm going to jump on it because I'm going to sell them to you guys. Now, this would be a great feature because it basically helps out with your local market. I know some people don't sell locally. Some people don't have devices to sell locally, and having devices, on hand helps with your local presence. Now, I've been kind of dibbling and dabbling with two particular people that I'm going to buy from for a couple months, and been satisfied with each order. So that's what I'm going to be going with, and basically I'm going to be doing weekly live videos in the group going over what I have. Now, a shipment just came in yesterday, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I have. All of these right now are Samsung devices. I'm not going to give you guys prices now, but I can guarantee you that you will at least make 60 bucks a phone, at least. If you don't make 60 bucks a phone at least, then you're doing something wrong. Okay, these phones will be so cheap that you can make good money on them. And then, guys, I'm not doing this to make any money. I'm not making any money on these phones that I'm selling you guys. That's not the point of it. The point is for you guys to make money. I know there's sometimes people are going through slow times, or I'm getting messages from people saying, hey, I haven't bought a phone in a week, and it can be discouraging. So this is why I came up with this idea where you guys can buy phones from me. If you guys aren't having those slow weeks, or couple of days where you're not buying phones, you could just contact me, say, hey, I need a couple phones from you. Things are going slow right now, and I'll be there for you guys. Again, guys, not making any money on them at all. Only thing I'll be charging for is shipping. So, example, if I get the phone from my wholesale guy for $150, I'll probably charge you guys $160 just for the shipping cost. That's it. Shipping, signature confirmation, just to make sure everything is good to go on both ends. So that's all I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys right now what I have. I think I have about 20 phones right now, so you guys can see they're all packaged up. I still going to have to go through them, reset them, update them, do all that stuff. But you guys can see I have a ton of them to be sold to course members. Now, today I'm going to be going live in the group to basically go over, these are the last four right here, basically go over, what I have for sale, how much I'm charging, all that different stuff. And I'm going to try to make this a weekly thing for you guys, where, again, this is all to help you guys. I'm going to be going through all the phones that I do get, and I'll make sure that everything is working order. I'm not going to send you guys crappy phones. I'm going to make sure the phones are all good to go. And if they don't pass my expectations, then I won't even have them up for sale. I'll probably just quick sell them in my area. Alright, so that's pretty much what I want to go over. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below. I'm very excited to announce this. I've been, kind of cooking this up for a couple months already. This is something that nobody who's offering a course, nobody who's phone flipping in general on YouTube is offering. So this is a little bit different, but I have a feeling this is gonna be great. I know some people who have issues with meeting up with people as far as buying their phones, but don't have an issue with selling, which is can be a little bit frustrating. But I understand that. I understand everything that's going on with you guys. This was a decision based off of different questions that I got over a period of time. And at the end of the day, guys, I'm just here to help you guys. That's all I'm here to do, help you guys out, help you guys make more money. I could easily, get these phones and resell them myself. But that's not what I'm here for. That's not what I feel like, I've been put on this earth to do, is just try to be, stingy about it. I want you guys to be able to make as much money as you can. So that's the end goal for me. I know some of you guys may not understand, this particular deal, but if you guys, have any questions, again, you guys can find me on Facebook. You guys can find me on Instagram. I'm on there all the time. Or you guys can comment your questions down below. I'll be answering them like that. All right. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. New to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.